Tron TRX crypto holders, how about you? Hope you're fine now. Hope you have a good day, my friends. In this video, I'm talking about the latest update of the TRX. What's going on? What's the price of the TRX? You know what? Today, the last 1 week, the last 1 hour, the whole chain is over and the TRX is negative. A lot of people are so worrying about Tron. My friends, that what should we do in this critical situation? Is it a best time to buy, sell, or hold TRX, my friends? No one can understand that. What should we do, my friends? But my friends, I really recommend for all of you, it's time to hold, my friends. You can see here that if you look, the price changes. Just look here, my friends. You can see that the last 1 hour, last 1 day, and last 1 week, these all changes is negative, my friends. So that's why I recommend for all of you that, my friends, the changes is negative. So if the changes is negative, that means that the price falls down and you are in the loss, my friends. You are in the loss, my friends. So how you can get profit from a TRX, my friends? That's clear for everybody, that for profit, if you want profit from a TRX from Tron, so you have to hold. You have to hold for profit, my friends. That's why I recommend for all of you to please hold TRX for a long time. Hope if you invest in a TRX for a long time, so that will give you profit, not a loss. Thanks for watching this video. What is your opinion? What is your prediction? Please share in the comment box, and don't forget to subscribe our channel for more news and updates videos.